Hi, well, it's time to get started today. This is class piano, lesson number 17 for Tuesday, March the 31st. I hope you're doing well, and maybe you've been practicing. If you don't have a keyboard, maybe you've just been visualizing it. That's the best we can offer right now. I would request that if some of you or any of you are in campus housing yet, I know some of you are, and by chance you have a keyboard that you might let someone else in the class borrow for a few minutes or sit outside and use for a few minutes, maybe you could make that known to them so that everyone might have a chance. The other thing is, I need to make sure that you watch the entire video today to the end. There will be a key, something that you need to do at the end. So please listen to it all the way through. Now let's get started and let's warm up on page 104, which is called Finger Fanfare in the key and the hand position of G. Here is Finger Fanfare on page 102. My right hand thumb is on G above middle C. My left hand fifth finger is on G below middle C, and that puts my second finger of my left hand on C. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1, 2, 3, off. Now, stop the video and practice on your own. I hope you've stopped the video and worked on that a couple of times, because now we're moving ahead to sharps. Remember, we said a sharp raises a note 1/2 step. That would be like from middle C to the black note that's right next to it. That's a half step. A sharp raises a note 1/2 step. On page 104 is our chromatic scale. I'm going to play it twice, once with the right hand, once with the left hand, and then I want you to stop the video and practice it several times by yourself. Now remember, your right hand thumb starts on middle C, and in this exercise, your third finger always plays the black note. All right, here is the right hand. Now the left hand. Now both hands together. Now stop the video and practice it until you can do it comfortably. Now that you have that under your finger, so to speak, let's move on to page 105, the halftime band. I'm going to play this again for you very slow with both hands so that you can get the idea to practice along with me. I'm going to really lift my hands on the rest so that you see exactly where they are. You don't need to lift them that far. You just need to lift your fingers off during the rest. You need to make sure that you're counting and playing it exactly as it's written. After I play it, I will stop the video and I want you to work on it so that you can have quick access back and forth as you learn it. And then we'll talk further about what I need from you. Here's Halftime Band on page 105. Notice my right hand is in the G pentascale here with my first finger on G. My left hand is in the low G pentascale with my fifth finger on G. I'll count and then I'll begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. I hope you got that and saw all the rest. Now what I'd like for you to do is to record your chromatic scale going up using the sharps and the halftime band in one video and send to me. I understand if you don't have access to a keyboard, and if you don't, do your best to visualize it and just play it for yourself on a piece of paper. On Thursday, we're going to move ahead and talk about flats, which are the opposite of a sharp. Now, also on Thursday during our regular class time, I will schedule a WebEx call, and I really do expect everyone to be available to tune in at the beginning of your class time on Thursday. Then, if you would like and have the ability to play on a keyboard, if you'd like a small time private lesson, I'll be glad to schedule a time for that. You can put that in your email as well to me, to that request. Now, for the attendance for today, what I would like for you to do right now is to send me an email with the word sharps in the subject line. That's all you have to do. Send that to me before the end of class period. I'll know you were there. Look ahead if you feel like you have the ability to do so, but get halftime band down so that it's exactly as it's written. We'll see you Thursday at regular class time on our conference call.